All right, during the sidebar there, that's a perfect time to discuss what we're just hearing in this key testimony. Clearly a key witness in the case. Still with us in studio is National Trial Attorney Mike Jaafar. Thanks for being with us. So, you were having a lot of reaction to the testimony, especially when she was characterizing and phrasing the nature of their relationship and the victim wanting to leave. So I'm saying you probably would have been objecting.
I would have been objecting a lot because there was a lot of questions in there that were just beyond outrageous hearsay. Could she afford an attorney? No, she couldn't afford it. How do you know? How do you really know? Were you looking at her bank statements? Why didn't her defense attorney, and he's doing an okay job, why didn't he stand up and say, how do you know she couldn't afford it? You didn't have access to her bank account. How would you know any of this stuff, right?
But that testimony is so key for the prosecution in this case because they needed to establish that she wanted to leave him, and then that was going to be the motive, right, for the murder.
Absolutely. Look, the purpose of a statement is to be admitted into evidence to prove the underlying truth of what the statement purports, right? She was making a bunch of statements that could not be, she would have no access to know whether or not they were true, and she didn't have direct knowledge of it. So this witness right here is very bad for the defense, and I don't think the defense attorney is handling it properly.
Well, we're going to see that cross-examination later today.